Hello, my name is Eren Aydın. I'm 21 years old. I'm law student in İzmir University of Economic. I want to be a good lawyer after my graduate. In my free time, I like play sports, especially basketball. I like read a book. I like travel another country and I like see different cultures. I'm energetic people. I am compatible person. I have a discipline. I like teamwork. I want to go work and travel program because I want to improve my language, make new friends. As I said, I like see new culture. So that's all I have to say. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.